Okay, so this is a fix for if your gas tank fuel door is open. And before I fix this, I used to have to get this wood block right here, put it under this lever, and then go walk around here to the gas tank. And this would be totally shut. And I'd have to get a screwdriver or my keys or something and just pry it open. Because you couldn't even grab it with your hands, you had to get something in there. It was so tight. So, first thing you want to do is look and see if this white lever right here is popping up, because when your gas tank lever is up, it goes in. So mine was constantly in, and I could pry it up because that was open. Now this little hole goes in there. So you want to first make sure this tab isn't bent. And this is what it's supposed to look like. You want it to look like this right here. And it's a little angled, so that's okay. Don't mess with this. What you want to do is get a 10mm and get all these three nuts off. And what you want to do is grab, let me see if I can get it in frame here. Yep, there it is. This little tab, you want to take it out. It'll be on this bolt right here on the other side of this. And you want to grab this little tab right here and bend it that way. You want it to bend that way so it can push off of this right here. So it can push off of that. So it's like a spring force. It goes boom. And if it's not angled this way enough, it'll just do what I had. And see right here, this is good because I can't push it in more because of that tab. It's angling it out. And anyway, you guys get it. And then you don't want to slam your gas tank, because I used to slam it a lot and it bent that tab too much. And also I messed around and took this off. Anyway, so that's how you fix it. You come around here, get a vise or something, and put it in that. Put the tab in there, get some vice grips, and bend it in that direction I showed you. And that'll fix it right there. If that doesn't fix it, I don't know what will, because this, I'll show you. This gas lever does not have a cable. Golly, I can't get it in frame. This gas lever is not cable operated, so you see it's fixed with that metal. So if your gas tank does not pop open when you fix that, then you gotta remove all this, and you got a serious problem. Because you gotta get your gas tank open. So anyway, that works for me, and I hope it works for you. Alright.